daisies, and look, $2 for this plant, and I know it looks not so great. I mean, the flower is super sad, but look, this is kind of pretty. And I like those daisies that have like that disheveled look. Here are some that I've already cut off. You can see these are the ends. This is a couple days after, so you can see how much the tips have dried since I cut them. But surprisingly, the plant is still alive. If you look down toward the bottom, there's an actual bud right there. And if you dig a little deeper, you can find even more buds and new leaves growing. So this plant is definitely alive. This is a perennial, so all these leaves and stems are going to die back anyway, so you can just cut them. These pruners aren't ideal because they're a little bit wide. If you get the little pointy ones, they can get in there between the new baby growth a lot more easily. Clearly I'm having a little bit of trouble getting in there. And they're short too, so they're like short and stout. I can't get the whole stem off, it's so thick. So at the end of every growing season, I would cut these stems off anyway and leave the new growth for next year. These buds may flower or they may just die back. Either way, chances are high that the plant will come back next year. And if it doesn't, well, it was just $2. So there's the bud and the stem's gone. Here's another stem. I'm just going to cut that off and keep going, cutting off all the stems. Here's another stem. Another one. These are getting a little bit easier. Just pulling out some dead leaves while I'm at it, cleaning it up. It really isn't hard. It just takes a little bit of patience to pull up the debris, freshen things up a little bit. Oh, there it is so far. Just wanted to assess how it looks, but there are still a few stems that I want to take off. Some dry leaves. But I'm just going to cut this stem off instead of plucking off the leaves. Few more stems left. See, I twisted the pruners around because the curve worked better in the other direction. It's kind of cool. These bypass pruners, they help you get into tighter spaces, even if these ones are a little bit thicker. And there it is. The bud. This leaf could go. Withered anyway. There's another leaf. There's no need to keep anything that's kind of dying back. It's going to die anyway. Might as well get rid of it while I'm at it. It's fresh. There. Now to just plant it and wait till next year to see if it survives.